In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simply sync Trello cards with automated two-way updates in 2025. Merge, mirror, and integrate. 5 minutes. If you've ever wished two Trello boards could stay perfectly in sync without copy-pasting cards or chasing updates, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use the Board Sync by Unito power-up to create a two-way connection so changes on one board automatically appear on the other. Start by logging into Trello. Make sure you're in the workspace where your boards live and that you have permission to add power-ups. Next, open the board you want to sync. Think of this as your starting point. You'll pair it with another board in a moment. On your board, click the Power-Ups icon. This opens Trello's directory of add-ons. Choose Add Power-Ups, then use the search bar to look for Board Sync by Unito. This tool specializes in two-way updates, meaning titles, descriptions, due dates, assignees, labels, and more can mirror between boards depending on your configuration. Click Add, then follow the prompts to authorize the integration. You'll be asked to grant permissions so the power-up can read and write to your boards. This is required for two-way sync. If you're in multiple workspaces, confirm you're allowing access to the right one. Once installed, click the Unito icon on your board to open it. Select Create Workflow. A workflow here is simply the set of rules that tells Trello which boards to connect and what information to sync. You'll see options to choose the boards you want to pair. Pick your current board, then select the second board you want to keep in sync. If the other board is in a different workspace, make sure you have access. Now start mapping your boards. Set the direction as two-way so updates travel both ways. Map lists and fields so both boards interpret information the same way. For example, match to-do with backlog or in progress with doing. You can keep the default field mappings to begin with and refine them later. If you want to narrow what syncs, apply filters for labels, members, or lists so only the cards that matter are mirrored. Make sure your Trello account is linked when prompted. If you're asked to reconnect or choose an account, confirm the correct one so the workflow can run without interruptions. When everything looks good, confirm and start the sync. The first run may take a moment. Test by updating a card title, moving it between lists, or changing a due date. You should see the change appear on the paired board shortly. That's it. Your boards now update each other automatically, giving you clean, consistent visibility across teams and projects.